Hello students, now next topic is function not return any value, means void function. If a function will return any value, that means non-void, and if any function is not returning any value, that means it's void function. Okay, void means it will not return any value, non-void means that will return any value. Some functions do some work but do not return any value, means function will do work but it will not return any computed value or final value to the caller function are called void function. Like def greet is a function name. We have printed hello. Hash why I have written this is a non-executable statement, is a comment. Void function with no return statement means it's a void function. We will not write any void keyword. Okay, void keyword we use only in C, C++, Java, but here we don't use it. Okay, so with no return value, here in this function definition we have not written any return statement, but this function is doing work. It's printing hello message. Okay, so with no return statement, this way also we can write, or you can say this is a no void function. What you can say, it's a void function that not return any value. But here def greet print hello return statement we have written. So hash void function with return statement. The void function with return statement, but actually it is not returning any value. Here we have not these two function definition is known as a, you can say it's a void function. Why? Here void function can also be two types. That is returning value, not return any value, and here we have not written any return statement. Here return statement is there, but nothing it is returning. Okay, so in that case what will happen if we will write return statement? If we will not write a return statement, nothing will get happen. But if we will write return statement, what will happen? Void function do not return a value, but they return a legal value, none to its caller. If you will write return, so it will return a none value to its caller function. I hope you understood what is the meaning of this void function. The function that does not return any value, that is known as void function. Here we can, in this function definition, it is printing hello message, but we have not written return statement. But if we will write return statement, हम return statement लिख देते हैं, then it will return a legal value, that is none. So how? This same example, def greet print hello, a is equal to greet, means this is the function definition, and we have called function here by its name greet, and a we have written here. So if we will write, okay, so print a means what it will do, it will, when we call the greet function, so greet function will just go in this definition and print the message, and it will, if you will try to display what the value it will return, whether you have return or not, so it will give you none value. Okay, if you will try to check what kind of return statement or void function return a value, so you can write like this and it will return none value to you. Okay, so now next topic, returning multiple values, means Python return more than one values to the function. Okay, in the function definition, so this is a syntax, return value 1, you can return value 1, variable 1, expression 1, comma, value 2, expression 2, variable 2. This way you can return the value. And def square xyz means square is a function, and here we have passed 3 parameters, and what we are doing, we are just squaring. 2 square means x into x, so here we are calling the function 2 3 4, we are passing the value 2, means x value क्या हो जाएगी 2, so 2 into 2 4, 3 3 is 9, 4 4 is 16, so that will return, these value will be returned. Here see, we have written more than one value, returning more value. This is the topic only we have taken. So here it is returning more than one value. So and it is storing in a t variable. The variable is only one. So if you will treat like this, so t will become a tuple, and tuple will store the value in this way, 4, 9, 16, and it will come in bracket. Okay, so variable t that receives the return value in a tuple form, this form. Okay, we can directly, and this is the meaning of the pack the values. We can directly unpack the return values. How? Same function, define square xyz return, same example I have taken, and same values also I am suppose the value I am passing 2 3 4, same values we are passing, but here we have taken only one variable and we are taking here three different values, means we are unpacking the values. So 2 result, 2 into 2 4 will result will be stored in v1, 3 result will be, means is a 9 will be stored in v2, and 4 into 4 result will be stored in v3. So then we'll print v1 v2 v3. The output will come 4 9 16. Okay, so that way we can return more than one values. If you will take only one variable, it will treat as a tuple, and if you will take multiple variables, so multiple values you will store in multiple values. I hope you have understood this concept also. If you have any doubt in this topic, in these two topics that I have taken right now, so you may drop the message. Thank you, students.